adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Noteworthy Basics of Concepts. Here is Sudhya. This channel is mainly for people who are in search of satisfying the gaps between theoretical knowledge and hands-on applications. As my specialization is in structural engineering, I wanted to share my verdicts that I felt were missing at my engineering studies. It is my small effort to bridge the gap between theory and practices. Let's begin with a small story to know the vision of our channel. Once a math teacher was teaching the area formulas for different shapes like square, rectangle and circle. The students were taught that the area of the square is a multiplied by a is equal to a square, where a is the length and breadth of the square, which are equal. The area of the rectangle is a multiplied by b is equal to ab, where a is length and b is the breadth of the rectangle. The area of the circle is pi r squared, pi multiplied by r, and the teacher explained that pi is 3.14 or 22 by 7 and the r is radius, which is half of the diameter of the circle. One of the students had raised his hand and asked what is pi. The teacher said that it is 22/7 or 3.14, which is a constant value. The small boy was not satisfied with that answer and again asked the teacher that square and rectangle areas are not taking the constant and why the circular area only takes this constant. The teacher got annoyed and said this question is unnecessary and shouted at the boy not to ask such questions anymore. The small boy did not understand the teacher's anger but reserved the question in his mind to get it clarified anywhere. One fine day, the boy was playing on the ground and saw a man working on the wooden chariot wheels, where he tried to fix the steel bars over the rim of the wheels. To do so, he was doing some markings on the wheel and measuring the distance between the points he marked at wheel and cutting the steel bars into some marked dimensions at the road. Our curious boy watched everything keenly and he got overwhelmed on seeing the steel bar which he cut at road was fitting on the rim of the wheel exactly without any gap. Eventually, the boy went to the man and asked how the steel bar length which he cut at road exactly fits at the rim. The man said it is simply a mental calculation based on a rule that a 7 feet diameter wheel has a 22 feet perimeter. The boy's intellectual light got switched on and recollected that he heard about 22/7 at his classes. Immediately, he requested the man to tell him how he knew the rule. The man said it is from his work experience, but decided to show him the way he got because he was happy about the little boy's curiosity. The man had chosen one wheel from the set of wheels kept over there and measured the wheel diameter. The boy was asked to read the scale he was shown, which was showing 7 feet. Then the man asked the boy to mark up a line on the rim with chalk anywhere. Then he placed the wheel on the mud floor in a way that the marked line touches the ground and also marked the point at mud ground. Then he started to rotate the wheel slowly until the same marked line touched the ground at another point and he marked that point too on the mud ground. The boy was asked to measure the distance between the two marked points on the ground after rotating the wheel and he found it is exactly showing 22 feet. That is the distance covered by the wheel in one rotation, or it is the circumference. The boy was very happy since he finally got his question answered and he shared his knowledge with his friends happily. Hope everybody enjoyed this video and got to know the vision also by a simple story. Similarly, structural engineering has lots of theories and concepts in studies that will be connected to practices for better clarity and understanding in the future videos. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like our vision, please do encourage by subscribing to our channel. Thank you.